Wow, you get the best from nature. Want to know how?
We source our 100% whole milk from pure New Zealand farms. Gently, it is processed within 24 hours of arriving at our factory. Our top quality production facility with Nutrikept technology allows us to capture all the natural, nutritional benefits of goat milk for the whole family. The same instinct that drives us all to take special care of our families drives us to take extra care in bringing you the best nature can produce.